how to find also commented notifications settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK, and now uh, click this icon here in the bottom hub, and then go to these three lines and tap on settings and then notifications, and now scroll down and here you will find it also commented, and that's it. Here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.